Welcome to the Retrieve and Import a Feature Key using WatchGuard System Manager video tutorial. During this brief video, I'll show you how to synchronize the feature key from your Firebox, as well as how to retrieve and import a Firebox feature key into WatchGuard System Manager, or WSM. Your Firebox uses a feature key to activate all licensed features, including any security services subscriptions. Without a feature key, your Firebox will only allow one connection to the internet. There are a few reasons you may need to install a new feature key on your Firebox. For example, when you set up a new Firebox. After you activate upgrade features, such as additional mobile VPN licenses, or after you activate or renew security subscriptions, such as Web Blocker or Gateway Antivirus. There are two ways you can update or install the latest feature key on your Firebox. If your Firebox has internet access, you can use Firebox System Manager to trigger the device to synchronize the feature key. You can also do this in the Web UI, which is explained in the Retrieve and Install a Feature Key using the Web UI video tutorial. I'll include a link to that video at the end of this one. If your Firebox is not connected to the internet, you can log into your account on the WatchGuard website to copy the feature key and then paste it into a text editor. And then you can use Policy Manager to manually install the feature key on the device. The quickest way to install the latest feature key on your Firebox is to synchronize it from the device itself. To do this, connect to the device with Firebox System Manager, which launches from WatchGuard System Manager. In Firebox System Manager, open the Synchronize Feature Key dialog box, like this. When you see this dialog box, make sure you log in as an administrator. As soon as I click OK, the feature key will synchronize with my Firebox. And that's all there is to it. If your Firebox isn't connected to the internet, you can manually retrieve the feature key from your WatchGuard account and then install it yourself. To get a copy of your feature key, log into the WatchGuard Support Center and navigate to the My Products page, like this. When you see this list, select the Firebox you want to retrieve the feature key for. If you'd prefer, you can type the serial number of the Firebox in this search field. Notice that an image of your Firebox and its name appear here. This is to help you make sure that you've chosen the correct device. Click here to see the Firebox feature key. Select the entire feature key, copy it, and then paste it into a text editor, like this. Keep this text editor open in case you accidentally clear your computer's clipboard before you paste the feature key into Policy Manager. Now that the feature key has been retrieved, I can show you how to import it to your Firebox. In Policy Manager, open the Firebox Feature Key dialog box, like this. To manually update the feature key, click here. When you see this dialog box, you can either paste the feature key or browse for it. Because I copied mine into a text editor, I can simply paste my feature key here. As you can see, the entire feature key I copied from the WatchGuard Support Center is now here. The last thing to do is save the configuration file to the device. For more information about feature keys, see the WatchGuard website.